Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy, Mana, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we do a bunch of Afrobeats reviews here. But today's video, of course, is a slight exception to what we usually cover. This is Popcaan featuring Drake, one of the fresh new openers for the year. And yeah, I thought it would be good to check this one out. Drake is definitely making an evolution backwards towards his dancehall days. I mean, one of the biggest records, his first #1 was a dancehall influenced song. So yeah, man, I'm excited to check out what he's saying with this one. I saw a snippet already. I thought it was interesting, and I definitely want to hear more from the song. Hopefully, it's taking me somewhere. But this time we're checking out the audio only. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. This is Popcaan and Drake, We Can Do.
876 God. 6 God.
Okay. I love the keys. I love how the keys are opening. Very grand piano-ish, I'm getting, and very strong and bold. It's giving that grand entrance kind of feeling, you know. I'm excited how this song is opening.
Try if you rush me off, try if you brush me off, I see.
Okay, Drake.
Bad man like Skull and me.
Arrest this nigga, man. Arrest this nigga. The way he just morphs from freaking culture to culture is... I mean, it needs to be freaking studied, man. This one is a chameleon when it comes to his transitions from one soundscape to another. I mean that goes to show how much talent he has. He has made a very fruitful career as a rapper and has expanded beyond being a rapper. So hearing with this very soothing vocal runs, and then his patois again is gonna come. I mean, I'm not Jamaican, I'm not from the Caribbean, but there's some instance where you can tell, man, Drake and his patois, you get that CV, man. But anyway, I'm still intrigued by the intro so far. Let's hear more.
Disrespect we and shatter go be.
Okay, the pop is here. Let's go. Let's go.
Say we done, pussy, we can done.
So he's saying we cannot done, like they can't stop us, kind of thing. Is that what he's saying essentially? We can done. I'm hoping that's the meaning behind the song, or behind the hook at least. But yeah, let's go. Good vibes so far.
We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done.
Okay.
Chop a load up a place like my new stadium. Fit tell her give me a dinner the big phantom. Jiggle up your body for me, baby. No say your love when me come in at your belly. Yeah. Bad man, she like champion and kangaroo.
Hey.
Only can do. Anyway, we pull up is a pan.
Okay, how many?
Millions are discussing at the forum.
Okay, so far I didn't pick up much what Popcaan was saying, but definitely when it comes to the vibe, I think it was definitely translating to me. It got the juices flowing. It definitely got you feeling that on that dancehall tip, you know. And I think it's sonically there. Producers on this one, Trezor and Batundi, I think credited on this one. And yeah, definitely a very, very strong presence from a production standpoint. And we're about to get Drake right now on the chorus again. It's pretty sound. It's sounding good. It's sounding decent so far.
They try to say we done, pussy, we can done. We can done, we cannot done, we cannot done.
Okay.
Every state, every country. You
Let's
pretty
go.
girl wanna make a movie. She a tell me she bad and she unholy. But just a star. And as I make it in a life, them say I soul yourself. Amount of pain me feel, some of my flow can tell. But if our friends switch up, me still wish.
He's going off.
Why be? Disrespect we and shatter go be. They try to say we done, pussy, we can done.
Cannot done. Song's quite lengthy though, I'm not gonna lie. Not bad. I'm sure Popcaan is definitely rolling up for a project, and he had a decent 2022. He has released a couple singles leading up to this one. The one with Tony and Singh is definitely a big moment from last year. But yeah, man, I'm excited about what he's going to drop as a full-length project, because it's looking like he's heading there. We've not gotten a good project since, so yeah, I'm excited, man. This was a decent release, a decent rollout for the anticipation for his project, so I'm not mad at it. Drake, obviously, being as calm and as not intrusive as it can be, you know. I thought it was reserved to be on the chorus alone and not to like even come with his own verse. Like I think Popcaan definitely delivered like 3 solid verses. My favorite being the third one, and it was definitely a more exciting moment. Could have definitely done without one verse at least, just to keep the record short enough that you want to replay it. And the hook is not bad. It definitely is a catchy moment from the song, and I'm not too mad at everything I heard so far. It definitely gonna pick up some steam for Popcaan into his album release, so I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, I'm curious what you guys think about that one. That was interesting to kick off the year, and I'm curious what you guys are looking forward to this year. Leave in the comment section. I've been your boy Mount, aka palmwinepapi. If you're new, definitely stay locked in. Subscribe, hit the like button. We're going to definitely dive into a lot of new sounds that are coming out this year. I'm excited. New Music Friday is coming back. Live stream this Friday at the point that you guys are seeing this video. The next Friday, just know we're here locked in for a live stream where we're diving into new music. I'm excited to do it this year, guys. Let's go crazy this year, man. Bring your boy Mount, aka palmwinepapi. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.